Hey man, say man, it's your boy Big Dreams. Welcome back to the channel. Before we carry on any further with this video, make sure y'all like, make sure y'all comment. Most importantly, make sure y'all subscribe and hit that post notification bell, set it to all. Y'all already know what the deal is, man. We is back with a doggone bang out this thing, man. Yes, we is back with another banger, man. And before I carry on any further with this video, I just want to say thank you to all the new subscribers, man. Just passed 2.9K today, almost to 3K. I ain't expect to be this close, this quick, but we getting closer, man. And I just want to say I appreciate y'all. I've been going hard at it. I've been dropping this content each and every day, man. And to see it paying off, let me know I'm doing my job. Let me know that God blessing me and he hear my prayers, man. So for all the new subscribers, thank y'all. And for all the ones that's been supporting your boy, thank y'all too, because y'all are some real ones. But I'm finna let y'all know what we got in store for today, man. Got the Scat Pack right here. Scat Pack in the back, 392 Hemi. Y'all already know, yeah, big Scat Pack thing. Big black thing. Black and yellow bumblebee out this thing. Yes, sir, man. Finna do a POV for y'all, man. Finna go pay a few bills. So I'm gonna do this POV while I'm out, and we finna get a little crazy, finna make a little noise. I'm not necessarily gonna hit the highway, but I'm gonna go through the city. I'm gonna take the long way, and we finna make some noise, man. Put it in track mode, hit the gas, do pulls through the city and stuff like that, have fun. Y'all already know how it go. But hey, without further ado, let's get into the video though, man. Yes, sir. Right today, gang. Little POV through the city. Let me let these windows up a little bit. Freaking wind is overtaking it a little bit. Pops is getting a little bit aggressive. Ooh, jeez. Wait till I get that new exhaust put on this joint and probably some long tube headers. I'm about to be, really about to hear me for real. You think you hear me now with this mid-mouth for delete, boy? I'm about to get stupid out this thing. I can't stand these bumps that be over here, man. There's too many bumps and junk that be over here on this side. That's why I don't too much like driving on this side. But for the content, I'm gonna do it today. So I ain't even finna trip about it. Just gotta watch how I hit these thumpers and bumpers. But I ain't finna do too much talking, man. I'm finna just drive and let y'all enjoy the ride, let y'all enjoy the sound. Cause I already be doing too much talking as is, so I'ma just shut my mouth and I'ma just operate the car. Man, if this truck don't move, dog. Gotta be careful over here, gang. This police territory over here where I'm at now. This is police territory to the max, so I need to be doggone careful. And speaking of police territory, I go to police station right there. Ew. I'm tripping, dog. I just not did a little small pull. That go a policeman right there. Thank goodness he turned the other way, dog. Oh my goodness. That man could have pulled me over and gave me a ticket for modified exhaust or whatever they be giving tickets for. Oh my goodness, my heart just dropped to the bottom of my ball sack just then, gang. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, bro. But hey, gang, listen, I'm finna make a quick stop up here, and I'm gonna turn y'all back on when I be back on the road, man. About to get back on the road, man. I had to make a quick stop up here to pay a bill. Oh my goodness. Oh, y'all finna see it pass by, gang. Hold on. Look what this is passing by. That's that McLaren. That McLaren. Oh my God, bro. That thing that caught me off guard. Yeah, we about to, go ahead, finish getting right, doggone. Wind too doggone strong, bro. That thing popping. She popping fireworks back there. I can't wait to get this cold air intake, these new pipes, and them long tubes. I'm still debating on if I want to do long tubes or not, which I more than likely will, just to go on ahead and get it off my mind, because it's like I say I don't want to do it, but I hear somebody else's car that got long tubes and I like it, so I'm just kind of all over the place trying to decide on if I want them or not, dog. There go that McLaren rare. I wonder if that's a 720 or I ain't finna try to race them. My car ain't new. I stands no chance. I stands no chance. I ain't finna race you, big dog. I do not stand a chance. That'll be a race right there. I just set myself up to lose. That was a big ass bump and I just hit it. I can't answer the phone right now. I am doing a video. Why everybody want to keep calling me? Police right there. I need to calm it down. As long as he stay over there where he at, we all good. Man, if I'm trying to do a video, golly, dude. This Lexus behind me trying to ride my behind. Kids out there getting their exercise in, I hear ya. Whew, buddy. Thank you. Bruh, another damn bump. Where all these bumps coming from? And I tried to dodge that one and still ended up tagging it. I'm gonna go back to automatic for this one. I'm gonna go entirely track mode for this joint. I can get a good pull in, goddamn. Might have to dip and dab a little bit, man. Dipple and dabble. Might gotta dipple and dabble just a bit. Yes, sir. That was a good little ride, man. Good POV. Good old POV. I love doing these POVs for y'all, man. I hope y'all enjoyed this video too, man. Really hope y'all enjoyed this thing. Say, man, this is the end of the video. Make sure y'all like, make sure y'all comment. Most importantly, make sure y'all subscribe, man, and hit that post notification bell, set it to all. All of my social medias are gonna pop up on the screen, so make sure y'all follow my main Instagram and my backup Instagram. Make sure y'all follow me on TikTok, and make sure y'all follow me on Twitter as well, man. The links to those will be in the description. I hope y'all enjoyed today's POV in the Scat Pack, man. I'm coming with a whole lot of content, vlogs, car content, gun content, everything. I almost got the Draco paid off. I'm working on that, man. And when I get that, I'm gonna go crazy with it, go make some gun range videos and all that good stuff, man. But listen, like I said in the freaking intro, we just passed 2.9K. Let's go on ahead and get to 3K, man. I appreciate all my new supporters, and I appreciate all the supporters that's been here day ones and all that. And with that being said, this is the end of the video, man. We out this thing.